Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today we're gonna open this Those Sweets playset where we can make amazing ice creams, popsicles, and even sundaes. So here we have a roller, an elephant, popsicle sticks, a plate, lots of little modes, more modes, this is a book mode for ice cream, popsicles, and cones. We also have here 2 little cones. And here's the dough. White, blue, yellow, and red. 4 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have little instructions. The very first thing we're gonna make are some colorful popsicles. Let's make a blue popsicle. You see, a blue popsicle. Now let's make a red popsicle. And your little popsicle is done. Let's make a popsicle in 3 different colors. Blue, yellow, and red. And now you can decorate these yummy popsicles. Yummy popsicles! Mixing yellow and blue dough, we can make the color green. With this green dough, we're gonna make another popsicle. Here you can make cones, delicious ice cream, rubber ducky, and much more. Wow, these ice creams look so delicious. With this set, you can also use Play-Doh. Well guys, thanks for watching.